Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this 2016 Mustang EcoBoost that we have for sale, featuring the awesome turbocharged EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine. The turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is actually considered an upgrade over the standard V6. The EcoBoost 4-cylinder makes about 310 horsepower, not too shabby. That's actually a lot more horsepower than most GT Mustangs from 15-20 years ago, and even more power than some Mustang Cobras from not too long ago either. And it also has a few add-ons. It has an intake, it has a exhaust performance muffler, so those things free up the engine a little bit as far as breathing goes. Probably good for a few extra ponies, a little bit extra horsepower, and definitely makes it sound better. Also has a aftermarket blow-off valve, which sounds cool. I don't know if it really does much for performance, but it certainly sounds cool when you add one of those to a turbocharged engine. Keyless ignition with push-button start, 6-speed automatic transmission. EPA highway rating around 30 miles per gallon, making this a great commuter. And the great thing about that 4-cylinder engine, it's a lot lighter than that big V8, so it's a little bit lighter in the front end, which definitely improves the handling. It's a very fun car to drive, and just because a Mustang has a 4-cylinder turbo engine doesn't mean it's something to be scoffed at. In fact, the SVO Mustang of the 80s, which is definitely has some street cred of many Mustang enthusiasts, had a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Pretty cool car. Google SVO Mustang, and you can learn more about one of the first turbocharged Mustangs in our modern times. This one's a really nice color combination on black, only 25,102 miles at the time of making this video. Local clean Carfax. We do have a complimentary Carfax report for you to view. It's been serviced and checked by our techs. The brakes are good, the tires are good, and all it needs now is a new home. I've always loved Mustangs. When I was in high school, Mustangs were the car to have. Maybe you've dreamed of owning one yourself. What better way to make that dream come true with this very nice example? And it's still under factory warranty. I love the looks and lines of the newest Mustang, a beautiful design with an independent rear suspension. It squats a little bit lower and has a little bit more improved handling and balance than the earlier Mustangs that had that solid rear axle. Underneath the hood, you can see it has a Steeda strut tower brace. Steeda has been a long time performance part maker for Mustangs. It features a Mishimoto intake. This Mustang is also backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchased from us, be it new or pre-owned. That's why we have that 5-day money-back guarantee. No restocking fees, no gimmicks. It is 100% money back. Contact us for more details. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.